In the previous lesson, we created a number of properties and methods inside vehicle class. In this lesson, we will discuss things we should keep in mind while naming properties and methods inside the class. First, let us see rules or recommendations that we should follow while naming class properties. Most important rule when naming a property is that the name should start with an alphabet or an underscore. That means the property name should start with either a letter or an underscore. Hence, this is a valid property name. Also, this is a valid property name. After the first character, property name can contain alphabet, number or underscore. So, this also will be a valid property name. Spaces or hyphens are not allowed in property names. So, this will not be allowed. Also, this will not be allowed as a property name. Also, any other special characters are not allowed in property names. And it is recommended to avoid using PHP reserved keywords as property names. For example, it is possible to create a property like this, but it is not recommended. And one more thing, you should provide descriptive names for properties inside a class. This helps to improve the readability of your code, and it will be easy for someone who read your code understand what a property is intended for. It is also a best practice to separate words in property name with an underscore or use camel casing notation. Now coming to class methods. Similar to class properties, class method names should start with an alphabet or underscore. Method names cannot start with a number. So, this is not allowed. After the first character, method names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Spaces and hyphens are not allowed in method names. Although you can name your method anything you like, it is recommended to give descriptive names to methods that should indicate what the method is supposed to do.